Good morning, Mommy.
The fact that we live in the same house and the only chance I get to see you on your 2 feet is at the office past midday.
Mom, I was so tired, so I had to sleep.
Why am I surprised you came back home around 2 a.m. this morning? No wonder you slept like a whale.
Mom!
It's such a shame that you're so devoted to living this life. Why are you here?
I came to ask for the Egan project file.
Too late. I gave it to Kamsi.
Who the heck is Kamsi?
Watch your tongue.
Apologies, Mom.
I can't tolerate your faulty language in my house, but clearly not in my office.
I'm sorry. Who is Kamsi?
A devoted, dedicated young man who actually values his job. He's the new assistant project manager. I hired him while you were away.
Mom, if this your new devoted young man is to handle this project, then I should be the one to assign it to him.
Your point?
Let me do my job, Mom.
If you really want to be the boss and the leader of your department, then you should start acting like one. You should earn it while you're at it. Or you'll be surprised of what I'll do. I'll actually make you his subordinate.
Mom!
Daughter, please leave. I'm busy.
I'm nobody's subordinate, so don't tell me about me every time. Hey! Kama or Kamsi, right?
Hi, who are you?
I am Mabel, your boss.
Okay, you don't look anything like Mrs. Ironsi.
Well, I am her daughter, the next CEO of this company, and the current head of your department.
Oh, head of my department. I'm Kamsi. Nice to meet you. I'm the assistant project manager.
Will you get your filthy hands off my face? Meet me in my office this minute.
Oh, sorry, I have a meeting about right now with one of my partners. I don't think it will be possible to meet you in your office.
Cancel it.
No, I mean, it's very important. I mean, my ride is outside already and I need to go there. They're expecting.
And I said you should cancel it. Cancel the ride, cancel the meeting, okay? In my office.
Mabel, babe, what's talking you off my queen?
I'm not in the mood for this, Ken.
At least, you've not answered my question.
That's because I don't want to answer you. Excuse me.
Babe, at least listen to me.
I had to agree with Kamsi's decision because Otumba and the team were there waiting. There was no way we were going to cancel that meeting.
That was insubordination, Mom.
That was him waiting on an option and actually doing what's best for the company.
So, you're just going to let him walk away like nothing happened?
Tell me, how do I punish a man that actually just closed a deal that you could not close?
We closed the deal.
Yes, we did. Otumba and the team were very impressed.
Oh, wow.
They loved it. It was a masterpiece.
Thank you, man. I mean, I'm glad we did.
Otumba and the team loved the presentation and they have high expectations on the closing. So they hope that the execution is better than what you just presented.
Yes, I hope the guy is handling the execution of the job will do fantastic work for them.
Yes, they will. And that is why I'm actually assigning both of you to see through the execution of this project.
What?
I'm sure both of you can make it happen.
Mom, there is absolutely no way I'm going to be working on the field with this. It's not possible, Mom.
Then you leave me no choice. I'll have to actually take you out of the project.
Excuse me? Mom, I started this project. I personally drafted the presentation that we sent to that company. And now you're telling me you want to take me off? Because of this karma boy or whatever you call him?
You started it. He closed the deal. It is only fair that I'm putting the both of you together to see through this execution of this project.
No, Mom. This is not right.
Then make it right. I need results, not competition.
Hey.
Hi. Mabel, what is it?
Babe, I just wanted to apologize for my behavior earlier. I was rude and I am sincerely sorry.
See, I can't believe you did what you did earlier. I can't believe you acted like a child. No, tell me, what if someone had passed and probably seen the way you treated me like I meant nothing to you?
No, that's not true. You mean everything. I know I messed up. I messed up and I am sorry. I was just in a very bad mood.
Bad mood? What's wrong?
Isn't it this new guy that mommy brought to the office? I don't even know what his name is. He was so rude to me and I need to show him who the boss is.
Wait. Do you mean the slim guy with the bushy hair?
Yes, that's the retard. Oh, you know him?
Yes, your mom told me about him.
Oh.
She even said something about him helping you out at your department.
Exactly. And right now, it seems like the idiot wants to take charge. Can you imagine? Baby, it's not funny, it's not funny.
I get. It's okay. Is that why you're all worked up? Is that why you did what you did? You shouldn't get worked up like that by such a person. Huh? You know what? The next time he's gonna flex his muscles, you're gonna tell him who's the boss.
Yeah.
And if he messes up, you're gonna show him the way out.
Period.
I hope you're fine now.
I feel better.
I hope you can cheer up now.
Thank you.
It's okay.
As always.
So when are you guys starting Otumba's project?
Oh, we've started already, but we'll officially start the beginning of next month.
Oh, wow. Man, I wish I'm in your shoes right now.
How?
No, I like getting involved in anything that has to do with Mabel.
I don't understand.
Guy, I know they whine me now. Why do you talk like this? See, the Bible told us that on the 7th day, God rested. But that was not what happened. On the 7th day, actually, God was busy creating Mabel. Man, that girl fine now. She's beautiful.
Is it the same Mabel that we work together? That Mabel?
The Mabel that features on the Disney TV show and Tom and Jerry. Olodo. Guys, stop pretending, I beg. I know say you like that girl.
Nah. No. For real. The only reason why I took on this October's project was because of how much money I was going to make from it. Not because I want to be around Mabel. Me and that girl, we know they the same space at all.
I don't understand.
I won't call it hate, but because hate is a strong word. But I don't really like the girl like that. And the feeling is mutual though.
See, let me tell you. If you want to enjoy your stay at ATC Constructions, you better not have problem with that girl.
Why?
First, she's the only surviving child of the CEO and the next in line to take over the business. Forget their cat and dog wahala. That girl is the reason why Mrs. Ironsi is still alive till today.
Wait, I don't understand.
Let's leave it at that. Enough said. The best thing for you to do right now is to try as much as possible not to come in between those two. Because at the end of the day, now your head them go break. Person will not get God for him back. No follow that people they call Satan. Make I tell you.
Oh. Wahala. Oh my God, I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Right, sorry.
I have been in this office for more than 5 minutes, waiting for your sorry behind.
That is why I've been apologizing. I said sorry.
Sadly, your stupid apology does not bring back the precious time I have wasted.
What do you want from me?
Excuse me?
I said, what do you want from me?
What do I want from you? A common subordinate?
Just answer the question. What do you want?
For starters, I hate you. And
Listen, the feeling is mutual. No big deal.
I'm
not done talking, Madam Superior. I know you're the next in line. Congratulations in advance because I will not be here when that happens. Let's just focus on the work we've been given and do it well. And for your information, I'm in no competition with you so you can sleep well at night, Madam Superior.
This boy don't chop liver. Wait, Kamsi. Did you just speak to me like that? You are fired. Read my lips, you're fired!
Fire boy. Hey!
And where are you going to?
Are you talking to me?
The last time I checked, it's just the two of us here. Or does it look like I'm talking to myself? Stupid.
You know what? I would just appreciate if you go straight to the point and tell me what you want.
Oh. I see. I see that it's true about what they say about you in this company. See, let me tell you something. This company, I've seen your type come and go. And if you're going to continue with this attitude of yours, trust me, I'll show you the way out.
Alright, I'll keep it in mind. Can you excuse me now?
He is a fiancé.
I swear those two fit each other.
I try to avoid that guy as much as I can because I don't know what that guy give Madam Chop. Whatever he says, the CEO does. Would you believe she listens to that guy more than she listens to her own daughter?
Does he even work here?
Yes, he does. But if you ask me his job description, I have no idea. He comes when he wants, he leaves when he wants. Sometimes he doesn't even come to work for weeks. And at the end of the month, he gets paid in full.
Probably his parents are like partners of the company or something.
Partner fire. The CEO is the sole owner of this company. No one else.
Anyway, good for them. Nothing really concerns me for that matter. Well, we're in the final stage of the work here.
This is almost completed.
Yes, almost completed. About 15 million will take us to completion. Hey, how are
15
you?
million?
Yeah. Yes, it will take us to completion.
Well, okay, but from what I'm seeing, okay, you're right.
Yeah.
Because Most of the rooms are still empty, if not even...
Yes, so that will take us to completion.
So I'm going to put tiles on the wall?
Oh, no. It will just be the most spread wall. I know, that's what I'm looking at in my head. I'm trying to figure it out, but I think that wall will be here. Yeah.
Oh, this is a very good project.
Right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm impressed.
Thank you.
What is the problem between the two of you? What is the problem that you cannot be professional even just for a day? All the workers, even the local workers, could feel the tension between the two of you. I've seen it. Yes. I made a terrible mistake by pairing the two of you to work on this project. Now it has come. I'll have to pull one of you out of this project. What is it?
I was hoping we have this conversation, have something that feels like a solution.
What do you have to say?
What happened to the other side was very embarrassing. And I really wanted to discuss it with you.
Your point?
I would like to withdraw from the site activities, focus on work here.
I hear you, Kamsi. But that is a decision only I can make.
But Mom, you heard what the young man said. He says he's willing...
Shut up! Now both of you get out of my office.
Kamsi, I just saw maybe going into the boardroom with the site manager. Are you not supposed to be in that meeting?
I'm not supposed to be in that meeting.
Why?
I'm off that project. Please don't ask me why. Because I'm not ready to have that conversation.
Why don't you want to have the conversation?
Bolu, I just told you now not to ask me why, and here you were asking me the exact same question.
I didn't ask you to tell me why you left the project. Why are you not interested in having the conversation?
This question will still lead to the question I'm trying to avoid, Bolu. What is wrong with you, guy?
There's only one way to find out. You better start talking right now.
You should work with G's lovers.
I'm gonna figure that contact give me. I used to have people when they gossip now they make money. But then again, Madam shouldn't have taken you away from the project because you closed it very well. Now she has positioned her child and she's taking all the shine. You see what I told you about these rich people? They're very selfish.
I left the job willingly.
I see. You couldn't handle being around Mabel. I told you that girl is very hot.
Now when I see there's no brain inside that thing you call a head.
See,
because not everybody makes decisions based on sexual fantasies.
See, I know say my head big, but I say it's fully inside. But then the last time I checked, you were supposed to earn ×3 of your salary if you got involved in that project.
I know that we are all money driven, but some of us know when to push the brakes. Bolu.
Kamsi, what is going on? Bros, what did happen?
Just look what your arrogance has cost us. All tools down on site. 2 days in a row. No solution in sight.
I spoke with the site manager and he promised to call them for a meeting tomorrow.
For your sake. For your sake. I hope that this meeting yields the results that we are all hoping for.
Mom, I'm sure it will.
That is only if you won't let your arrogance and your pride get in the way.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I think I know what to do. Come see. Report to my office right now.
Mom, I'll just be in my office.
You are not going anywhere. Sit down. I'm bringing Kamsi back to this project.
Mom.
It's either you learn how to work with him or I pull you out of this project. And I'll put Kamsi on charge. You do not have much of a choice.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
You did a fantastic job with the workers today.
I mean, I'm glad I could help.
Kamsi,
Yeah?
why did you report it to my mom as though I did most of the work when you know clearly that if not for your intervention, the workers wouldn't have listened?
And it doesn't really matter who takes the glory. The most important thing is that the strike didn't hold and everything went back to normal.
Thank you for making this happen.
You're welcome.
What?
I mean,
But you seem very surprised.
I wasn't expecting it.
Wow. I understand that you think I'm a very terrible person.
No, I don't think you're a terrible person. I just feel like you're something different.
Different.
Yes.
And what might that be?
I think you have issues with your self-esteem.
Excuse you?
You feel like somebody is in a competition with you.
You think I have self-esteem issues?
No, I don't think. I know. And I could see it.
Okay. I just came to say thank you.
And you're welcome again.
All my life, I've always been told that the reason I get everything I have is because I'm from a rich home. Yeah. Again, most of the people that I call friends are just with me because of what they can get from me, not because they genuinely care.
Are you sure all these things not just happening in your head?
No, I don't think so.
Sure.
I mean, how do you explain it when I tell them that I'm not available to help them? They leave. But the moment I promise to help them financially, they come rushing back.
You know what? I think you should really do it with those type of friends. Trust me, they'll destroy you in no time.
It's not as easy as you think. These are people I've known all my life. Mostly family friends.
Maybe even though they are blood, they don't have your best interest at heart. Because these guys will frustrate you. They'll make your life miserable. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ah, home sweet home.
I know, right? That was quite a distance.
I know, right? I mean, I love my job. I can't complain.
So, how much do you spend coming to work every day? These Uber drivers must be making a fortune out of you.
I don't do Uber. No.
So how do you get to work?
I jump buses.
You jump buses?
Yeah. You go to the bus stop, wait for a bus, you take this one,
Oh, stop
take
it,
care,
Kamsi. Stop it. Of course I know what jumping buses mean.
You do?
Yeah.
Really?
Look, there are a lot of things that you don't know about me that when you finally get to know, you'll find surprising.
Oh my god, it's after 8 already. We can start going.
Yep. My mom will be worried sick already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you for the ride.
It's nothing.
Alright. Good night.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Sleep well.
Alright, you too.
You said you wouldn't be going to the construction site today. What's up?
Yeah, she just called me 5 minutes ago and to get ready for something. I don't know what it is.
Another business meeting, I suppose.
If it's a business meeting, she always give me heads up like 5 minutes before.
Well, that's what bosses do.
Right.
She expects you to get ready even at the last minute.
Right?
But the good thing there is that you guys are now working together.
Shit like that.
Good evening, Kamsi. Bolo, how you doing?
Hi, Mabel. You look gorgeous in that gown.
Thank you. It's sad Kamsi did not notice it.
No, of course I did, but Bolo beat me to it. By the way, the dress looks good on you.
Thank you. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'll be ready in 5.
Okay, I already made reservation and I'll be in my office.
Okay.
My office?
Yeah, sure thing.
Bro, this doesn't seem like a business meeting to me.
Sadly, I have to admit, it doesn't. Reservations for what?
The number will miss voice. If you ask me, now who I go ask?
Weird.
Guy, that girl is interested in you.
So because she took me out to a fancy restaurant to celebrate her birthday, she's interested in me.
Yes. The question is, why did she take you out? Why did she take you out to celebrate her birthday with her fiancé on that day?
That's sure I've been meaning to ask that question, but I just keep forgetting.
Really? Guy, I fear for you. I hope this whole thing is not a setup.
Hey,
You know, these rich kids can be very crazy sometimes.
Nah, that's not the situation here.
Okay, just try and be careful. People don't just change overnight.
Oh, come on, bro. We're human beings. You know, sometimes we can be very unpredictable.
That's the more reason why you should be careful. You should be.
Hold up. Maybe I wasn't expecting you.
Maybe I should go home then. Obviously, I'm not welcomed here.
Hey, come on now. Don't be petty. Alright, come in. This is very tough, Mabel. And I understand how she feels. I mean, you guys are engaged. And wedding plans have started. So, you don't expect her to understand why you're behaving strange lately.
Kamsi, you see, I agreed to marry Kelvin when I was a lot younger and naive. I didn't have much of a choice back then.
But a few months ago, you two were very much in love.
Were we?
Yeah?
Look, it is nothing close to what everyone thinks. Okay, I admit that I was willing to walk down the aisle with him a few months ago, but I knew for sure that it wasn't the marriage I had hoped for.
So what changed your decision?
Someone came around and things changed. My thoughts, my actions, my reasoning, everything changed.
But when he proposed, you took his ring.
I had no choice back then. The circumstances were beyond my control.
I don't understand, Kami. What do you mean? Beyond your control?
Okay, so when he proposed to me, it was in the presence of our parents. I was barely 21 while he was 23.
What?
Yes. Our parents planned everything. So I had no choice but to smile, pretend I was happy, accept his ring and say yes.
Oh, come on, you were 21. You're old enough to say no.
You think? Guy, have you met my dad? If you think that my mom is tough, then I promise you, you do not want to cross paths with my father.
Then he must be Mark Tyson.
He was tougher.
So what do you want to do?
I honestly don't know. But what I do know for sure is that that wedding will not happen. In fact, it will never happen.
So how do you plan on achieving all this? So as at the time I got back home, she was already gone. And then all of a sudden I felt like I should have done more. Like, fight for the love we had, fight for the thing we had between us.
That would have been weird. I mean, I understand you loved her back then, but would you have been able to forget everything that she did?
You don't underestimate the power of love.
I'm not underestimating the power of love. I'm just saying, considering the fact that she did all those things with your mom, it would have been so hard to forget. It would have required more than love for you to forget that type of past.
Okay, your point exactly.
The point is, your mom may have saved you from something you might regret later.
And here you are. Your mom is pushing you to do something you would obviously regret later. What an irony.
I know, right?
So what are you going to do?
I have no idea. I guess I'm just going to hang in there and wait for the one that I have gotten so fond of. Realize how much I want us to be together.
So, this person, does he know?
See, I gotta leave some for you. Wanna make you mine. I wanna be your for you.
I guess he knows now.
Fall in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. I know you want me to, and I wanna be your lover. Let me be yours tonight.
I think you should take it.
I'm not taking it.
It's not going to stop ringing.
I don't care. I mean, how can people be so dumb? You've been calling somebody for hours now and they're not taking your calls. Do you need a soothsayer to tell you that they don't want to speak to you?
I think you need to tell him that yourself.
I already did.
And how do you take it?
We can see how he took it.
I'm stressed about it, eh?
Okay.
I told you will not stop.
It's my mom calling.
Okay, now you must take it.
No, I'm not taking it either. It's one of the same.
Okay, I thought I was stubborn, but I can learn one or two from you.
Oh, please. Stop. But really, babe, this is not about being stubborn. It's about people understanding their limits in other people's lives. I mean, I love my mom to death, but I'm not going to live a life of misery just because I want to make her happy, or live an unfulfilled life just because I want to fulfill the dying wishes of my father.
I understand. I do.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
I just hope that you're willing to go all the way through with me.
Hey, I'm going all the way through with you, okay?
Promise?
Promise. Love found me the first time, and somehow it wasn't meant to happen. But I got lucky. Found me the second time. This time around, I'm not letting it slip through my fingers. at all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Mhm.
I love you.
I love you more.
How much more?
So much more.
You sure?
Very sure.
So, for the whole weekend, I stressed myself looking terribly for my daughter. And she's with you. And the two of you were playing Romeo and Juliet.
I'm very sorry, my...
Oh, shut up! I'm still talking, Kamsi. And when I talk, you listen. Yes, you've proven yourself to be a competent in this company. That's fine. But young man, you need to know your limits. My daughter, she's way off your league. I repeat, you should know your limits. She's engaged to be married. It will be such a shame for you to walk into her life just to mess that up. Focus on your project. Focus on what brought you here. And trust me, next time, I'll not be so nice.
Thank you, Ma.
Get out.
Guy, I thought you said you don't love Mabel. You have no feelings for her.
Exactly, bro. I knew I said that, but you don't know when these things happen.
Okay, I understand, but from the way things are going right now, it doesn't seem like it's going to end well.
Udogusia, Juju, Chief Priest, Eyes of the Gods. How do you know? Yeah?
You always like making joke out of everything. Guy, give yourself brain. This one don't be Hollywood or Nollywood. You know how these things play out. I'm sure you know it.
I don't know. How they play out? What happens?
How many rich kids have you seen ending up with struggling guys like us?
I'm not struggling. No. I don't know about you.
No, while they yab me, nothing do you. But let me tell you, I'm only trying to prevent you from receiving hot breakfast. Maybe no go serve you hot breakfast for this issue. Because at the end of the day, maybe I will leave you and go and get married to Kelvin. And as for you, you will lose your job. And do you know what Kelvin is going to do? It won't cost him anything to tell madam to fire you. You will lose your job.
You don't really care. I love Mabel. That's it.
Okay, fine and good. You think you love her, but don't be waiting to happen be that. These rich kids love to experiment. That's who they are. They'll come to us, be with us, try to see what it feels like hanging out with guys like us, struggling guys like us. I know you want to segregate yourself, but that's what it is. They want to have a taste of what it feels like. And at the end of the day, they leave us and go back to where they belong to. That's it.
No, you don't belong there. You understand?
Keep doing segregation. I've told you what you need to do. You need to take your mind off this girl. Be calm.
Kamsi.
Yo. Amen. Hey.
Hey.
You good, yeah? Sure.
Hi, Bolu.
Hi, baby. I think I
Okay.
need to take my leave.
Okay, bro. Yeah. No water. Later now. Come sit down. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What's wrong?
My mom has totally lost it.
What has she done this time around?
Can you imagine she threatened to disown me if I don't go ahead with the wedding?
Are you serious?
Yes. She has made that house so much hell for me. Honestly, I'm gradually losing my mind.
Hey, honey, listen. Boy, you know moving in here is not the solution, right? For real.
Wait, Kamsi. Are you asking me to leave your house?
Come on, honey. Hey. Relax. Alright, listen. You know I always want you around, like all the time. But if she notices you're staying here, I don't want it to be like a problem or let it get out of hand.
What is your point exactly?
Listen, babe, everything's going to be fine. Just give it time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm here, alright? I got you. I'm coming.
Okay.
So now I'm quite accessible in a way that you can just walk into my office and tell me a bunch of nonsense?
Ma, please. All I'm asking for is just one chance.
And the only chance you would get is if you return my fiancé to the house. Wait, do you know I can even arrest you for abduction?
Abduction? I didn't do anything wrong, Kelvin.
Why don't we wait until the police get here? And they put you in your place and I can watch you confess how you've bewitched her.
Listen, I didn't bewitch anybody. What we feel for each other is real. It is true.
Oh, get out of my office! You're fired!
Ma, why? I don't understand. Why, Ma?
Why? Why? Am I supposed to explain myself to you? Well, I no longer require your services in my company.
Please. You have not gotten to this yet. But please.
Well, right now it has. And like she said, leave. I said leave!
Ma.
You know, I can give you back your job if you agree to end this madness with my daughter. I can even make you the head of department because my daughter will be traveling abroad after the wedding. Look at it in a bigger picture. You have a lot to gain in this. If only you'll make the right choice.
I'm afraid I have to decline your offer. I'm ready to sacrifice anything. I love your daughter, Ma.
I can see that you're stupid. I can see that you're out of your senses. See, let me tell you something. Mabel is mine, and mine alone, and she's coming back to me. If care is not taken, I'm sure you would lose both ways.
I really don't care. At least I put an effort to this. A man really never loses. He just learns. Probably is a learning turn for me. So, just use the door.
Babe?
Oh.
You've been quiet since you got back from work. Is there something you want to tell me?
No. Just I have a lot on my mind.
Baby, I understand. And I am sorry you have to go through all of this because of me.
You know what? I'm prepared. I'm ready to go through it all. Are you ready to?
Of course I am. I wouldn't be here if I wasn't. I would have been somewhere shopping for my wedding. But no, I chose to be here with you, the absolute love of my life.
You know what?
What?
Remember our first encounter?
Oh my God, please don't remind me. Don't you dare remind me.
It was crazy.
I know, right?
Disaster. What changed?
Okay, so your intelligence. You were unarguably the most intelligent man I've ever met in my entire life. And there was this thing about you. This thing that makes everyone want to be around you.
Really? I think you're forgetting one more thing.
What's that? Pride. Say that again. What do you mean?
You know what? I've been here before.
Okay.
You had loads of flaws. I was willing to look at me and like fight for love. But, you know.
Baby, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you so much for understanding me, and thank you for being in my corner. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you expecting someone?
No. Who's that?
Inspector Kenneth from Area K Police Station.
Police?
Police.
What do they want?
Come in. Good evening, officers. How can I help you?
Are you Kamsi Machuku?
Oh, yes, I am.
You're under arrest for kidnapping and abduction of Miss Mabel Iwonsi.
What?
You have the right to remain silent for whatever you do or say will be used against you in courts of law.
Officer, what are you talking about? I am the said Miss Mabel and I'm here. Nobody kidnapped me. This man right here did not kidnap me.
We do not want to be hard on you.
Officer, I came here on my own volition. You cannot arrest him. No! Hey, this is wrong!
Take it easy. Alright, easy. Officers.
Nobody kidnapped me. I came here on my own.
Babe, just take it easy.
This is not. Who gave this order?
Find out when you get to the station. Let's go.
Officer, this is not right.
That's fine, right? It's okay. Just get my phone, right? Just take it easy.
Cassie!
What is wrong with you? Have you completely lost it?
I am mad! You have made me go mad! I agree, Mom! You have made me so mad and I'm not ashamed to admit it. Mom, I know that I have no right to barge into your office the way I just did. The same way you have no right to dictate to me who to marry or who not to marry.
I'm not dictating it to you. I'm only following orders.
Orders from who? Your husband? My dad? Wake up, Mom! Dad's been dead for 5 years. We saw his corpse. A gory sight we don't want to ever remember. Mom, you were never proud of what he did. You said it yourself, so why are you lying to yourself now? Huh? Okay, I know that you might be scared of what the brotherhood might do to you if you do not grant his last wish. But have you thought about what my life would be if I end up marrying a son of one of them? Have you? Mom, do you realize that these people don't care if I get married to Kelvin or not? Do you? So I need you to stop living in fear. I'll advise you to get Kamsi out of that cell you ordered those hungry police officers to put him in. Otherwise, I will go out there and sing like a canary. And by the time I'm done, I promise you, you will have a lot more to be worried about.
So you're ready to go out there and destroy every hard work that me and your father have worked for?
What you worked for, Mom? Everything this family has today is because of you. It's all your efforts. Dad was just a lazy and manipulative man who boxed you into believing that his joining the brotherhood was what helped you in securing your inheritance.
What are you saying?
I told you that I overheard them mocking you for believing in a cult group that never existed. Mommy, it was all a scam to get you to be loyal to Dad. And this whole idea of marrying Kelvin was supposed to be a compensation to his dad for the role he played in the scheme.
Ifeanyi once told me the exact same thing, but I just couldn't bring myself to believe him.
Yes, Mom. We were both there at the same place at the same time. We overheard their conversation. We eavesdropped on them and we heard the entire plot. Mommy, I tried to tell you then, but what did you do? You shut me up. Same thing you did to Uncle Ifeanyi. You accused him of trying to destroy your home and you threw him out of the house. Mommy, get Kamsi out of that cell.
Easy, baby. Easy. That's fine.
I think I'm gonna need more.
Okay, I'll get you some more. So, I made dinner already. You should come and eat. I made your favorite.
I think I need to shower first. I smell like...
I understand, baby. But you need to eat first so you can have enough strength.
Trust me, if I don't shower, I'll not be able to eat anything, dude.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Let me help you to the bathroom.
Alright. Who is that again?
Maybe the neighbors. They were worried sick about your arrest.
Really?
Rest, let me go get the dog.
Alright,
I'm coming! Mom? What are you doing here?
And you're going to invite me in?
Come in.
Baby dad.
Good evening, Kamsi. How are you feeling?
Like a convict. Please, ma.
I know, Kamsi. And I'm sorry for accusing you for something that you did not do.
I mean, you had the power and the privilege to do whatever you want, so it's fine.
A mistake I regret deeply. My apologies.
The deed has been done. No matter how you feel, it won't change anything.
Mom, I did not expect you to go so low.
I was scared.
Of who?
You see, everything you told me at the office checked out. For years, I have allowed myself to be played by your father while he was still alive. And I am ashamed that the man that I once called my husband could be involved in such a scheme.
What are you two talking about?
Babe, there is a lot I need to tell you about why my mom was so desperate that I married Kelvin.
I was trying to protect the family. And not only the family, but also the business interest. I have no problem with you, Kamsi. You're a very fine boy. Full of potential. And I hope that gets you somewhere someday.
I'm sure it would, ma. It will.
Well, with all that being said, I'd like the two of you to have this.
Okay. Can I open it?
Of course, why not? As of today, I would like to step down as the MD, CEO of ATC Construction Company, leaving the two of you to rule as I enjoy my retirement.
Mom, this says I am the MD CEO of the company?
As it was destined to be. And you as the new project manager.
Oh my God.
Like,
Mom!
thank you so much, ma. I don't know what to say.
Oh my God, thank you so much, Mommy. I love you. Lest I forget. How about Kelvin?
Oh. You should not worry about him anymore. I fired him. Yes!
Wow.
Oh my God, I love you so much, Mommy. I love you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, mom. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome. Kamsi? I think you should take a shower.
Yes, I was about to, before you came in and...
Yeah. No, you need to take that shower
you
first.
too?
Yes, me
Really?
too. Yeah.
Kamsi, you're fired. Read my lips. You are fired!
Don't be fight now. Don't be fight.
And action.
Kamsi.
And action.
See, you know they insult me. I know say my head big, but my sense full inside. They hear me so.
Okay.
Sorry, what's that line again? So
I know say you go talk rubbish, forget line. I know. I know say you go talk rubbish now, forget the real line we supposed to talk. I know.
Huh?
So you were going to in over 3 times your salary.
Okay.
Why is that the same? Still rolling. Pick up and call it director. End date. Action!
I mean, how do you explain the fact that I'll take it again?
Tell me bye.
Let's go. Pick up.
I have it. It's good.
Action.
I mean, how do you explain the fact that when I tell them I'm not available to help them, they leave? And
Take that line again.
Who they cough? Take drugs, oh.
Action.
I mean, how do you explain the
Action
fact
again.
my actions, my reasoning, everything changed?
So, what do you want to do?
That's not
Tell her the
right.
line.
So you took the ring away.
Yeah. Standing by.
Action. Pick up.
So what changed?
Everything changed. Are we?
No,
Well,
you
yeah.
took the ring. Let's take from took your ring.
Yeah.
To see the ring, yeah? Standing by.
Let's go. And action!
That's not what is happening. What's the next line?
Maybe that is what you think, but it's not what it's being
Oh, yes, I was about to take a shower. You know.
I would have told you, but
Oh, you too?
No.
Really?
And I wanna be your lover. Let me be yours tonight. I wanna treat you fine. Anything you want tonight, I'm gonna treat you right. Make you understand that I'm the man that loves you. Make you understand that I'm the man that wants you. tonight. Gonna treat you like a beauty queen. That's how I roll with you tonight. Cause you're beautiful. See, shawty, I really got something for